This is the Arduino code that I used for the special effects laser box. It is intended to be used with this particular kind of Arduino board. I shall talk a little bit about what each bit of the code does. This highlighted bit just tells you which two pins the motors need to be wired to. In this case, 9 and 10. Then we have this highlighted code here. That is for the other pin, or in this case, the analog 0 and 1, again for the motors. Then we have these two here. These are used for a potentiometer or an accelerometer. We're again wired up to analog 0 and or 0 and analog 1. Then we have these two here. Those are to give more weight to either of the aforementioned, so that you can get more whilst doing less. Now it should be noted that using a potentiometer lets you increase or decrease the speeds of the motor, whereas using a accelerometer with this code in its current state only lets you slow the motors down. Which brings me back to these two here. These are mostly for an accelerometer, simply because I found that without them you're risking flailing like a madman trying to get it to affect the motors. Hence these here, which are to give it more weight and thus reduce the amount of flailing required to get a result. This is the Arduino code being used with a potentiometer. Actually, it looks a hell of a lot stranger on the phone. Actually. I don't know quite how to describe it actually. I think it's just that I don't know what it is. Now, it looks different on the phone, but than when I'm looking at it with my eyes. But I'm not sure what's different about it. But I think it's just that when it's on the phone, there's a bit the actual laser's more continuity. I think. But again, I'm not entirely sure how to describe it.
What's also quite interesting, you can't really do it because it's not very practical. But if you turn out all the lights and you take the laser and you have some, I've got liquid smoke at home.
Oh yeah, because it would shine through the smoke.
You actually see the lasers themselves.
Yeah, they do that, don't they? On
In clubs they do it.
This is the Arduino code being used with an accelerometer.